Hey there, savvy finance fans. Welcome to Capital Decoder News, where we decode the biggest financial and political headlines so you can profit. Today's news isn't just about the headlines, it's about uncovering who wins, who loses, and how you can come out ahead. Let's dive in. Trump returns to the White House. What happened? Donald Trump clinched a significant victory in the 2024 election, beating Kamala Harris. His win is expected to shift policies toward deregulation, tougher China trade measures, and pro-business tax cuts. Who benefits? Businesses likely to see fewer regulations. Defense contractors and industrial companies may benefit from potential trade tensions. Oil and gas industries could see friendlier policies. How you can benefit? Consider investing in ETFs focused on industrials or energy sectors. Watch for opportunities in companies that stand to gain from reduced regulation or infrastructure spending. Federal Reserve signals potential rate cut. What happened? The Federal Reserve is hinting at lowering interest rates, which would make borrowing cheaper and could boost the stock market. Who benefits? Home buyers. Lower mortgage rates make housing more affordable. Companies. Cheaper borrowing encourages expansion. Stockholders. Lower rates make equities more attractive. How you can benefit? If you're in the market for a home, start locking in rates. Stock investors might consider growth-oriented ETFs or rate-sensitive sectors like real estate and tech. Wall Street's appetite for structured finance. What happened? Wall Street is going wild with structured finance deals tied to quirky revenues. Think chicken wings and Shakira's music royalties. But some fear a bubble. Who benefits? Big banks profiting from the fees, investors seeking high yields. How you can benefit? Approach cautiously. If you're investing, consider diversified funds that include alternative assets instead of going all in on risky structured finance products. China's currency strategy amid trade tensions. So what happened? Well, China may let its yuan weaken in response to Trump's expected trade tariffs, making its exports cheaper. Who benefits from this? Chinese exporters gain a competitive edge, and U.S. consumers may benefit from cheaper imported goods. How you can benefit? Look into emerging market ETFs or companies reliant on Chinese manufacturing. And, of course, keep an eye on how tariffs might affect industries you're invested in, like tech. Crypto's cultural impact. What happened? Cryptocurrency's cultural legacy is solidifying as a symbol of decentralized finance. Politicians, including Trump, are embracing crypto as part of their platforms. Who benefits? Well, crypto advocates and investors and blockchain companies are seeing increased interest. How you can benefit? Diversify into blue-chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but keep it small, it's a volatile space. Also, research blockchain ETFs for broader exposure. Editorial push on U.S. policies. What happened? Major newspapers are urging action on privacy protections for journalists and addressing food insecurity affecting millions. So who benefits? Nonprofits tackling food insecurity and Americans benefiting from stronger privacy protections. How you can benefit? Donate or invest in companies focused on ESG initiatives, especially those addressing food insecurity issues. European auto industry's emission challenges. So what happened? Well, EU car makers are scrambling to meet 2025 emission targets, risking 16 billion euros in fines. There's growing political support to ease penalties. Who benefits? EV makers or electric vehicles, they'll grab market share. European car makers if penalties are eased. How you can benefit? Consider investments in EV-related stocks or ETFs. Monitor European automakers that may pivot toward green technology. France's economic stability. So what happened? France is grappling with debt issues, but Europe's broader economy remains stable, with the ECB managing inflation. Who benefits? European stocks could stabilize, especially in resilient sectors like luxury goods. U.S. exporters benefit from a stronger dollar against the euro. How you can benefit? Look at multinational U.S. companies with significant European exposure, especially in luxury or consumer goods. U.S. stock market trends. So, what happened? The S&P 500 and NASDAQ are rebounding as inflation data suggests more support from the Federal Reserve. Who benefits? tech and growth stocks, which thrive in low inflation environments. Investors who've held steady during market turbulence. How you can benefit. This might be a good time to rebalance portfolios toward tech ETFs or blue chip stocks. Labour's upcoming fiscal review in the UK could tighten budgets and raise taxes. Companies already compliant with higher corporate taxes will benefit, as well as investors in low-risk UK government bonds. How can you benefit? Keep an eye on US companies with heavy UK exposure. They may face headwinds. Also explore diversified global bond ETFs. Goldman Sachs warns that the stock market isn't pricing in geopolitical instability enough. Investors prepared to weather volatility and companies in safe haven sectors like utilities and healthcare will benefit. How can you benefit? Hedge your portfolio with assets like gold, bonds, or defensive ETFs. Congress is debating big moves, including China investment restrictions and crypto legislation. U.S. manufacturers will benefit if China restrictions tighten, and crypto companies will benefit if clearer regulations boost investor confidence. How can you benefit? Look for U.S.-focused manufacturing ETFs. For crypto, invest cautiously until legislation is clearer. Every story has winners and losers, but with the right strategy, you can be a winner. Research your options, stay nimble, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed today's rundown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's keep decoding the news and making finance fun. See you next time.